Hey, what's going on, you guys? Here to show you how to load up your own sounds in Machine. Okay, let's get started. What you do is open up Machine. Let me save this real quick. All right. So what you want to do is go to Files, wherever your sounds is located. Mine is located on my desktop, and you find out what kick, drum, or whatever your sounds that you're trying to load in on Machine. Now, you don't have to do all the same sounds. You can like switch it up, you know, go to different folders of your kits and find any and every sound that you want and just load it in. All right, bam. Once you got all your sounds loaded in, you're going to hold Options right where it says Group A, and you're going to right click. Then you're going to save. Then you change your name to, okay, I'm gonna change this to Hip Hop Keys. Then once you save it, it should be in your library. Go back to library. You have a choice of NI, which is native instruments, or the user, which is that looks like a dog, a guy, or I don't know, somebody. Then what you do is click right here, and all your groups should pop up. Let me find Hip Hop Keys for you. Right here. Bam. And there it goes. All right. This helps. Subscribe, like my video.